Hello everyone. And you know that YouTube, Google, and there are so many YouTubers provide HTML, CSS, and there are so many YouTube videos for learning. Actually, what is the mistake of this? Actually, in my course I will share you with live example, just not a coding. With live example using AI, using your Google, using your code editor. I will share the live example of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, day by day I will publish my videos in my on my YouTube channel. So let's see. Okay, today basic I will share you the basic structure of HTML file. Okay, here is some comment. As a beginner, you don't know what is comment, but in future class I will show you how we can write the comment in our page. Okay, first of all, we should create a HTML file for our website. Actually, what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. Is mainly used for designing our content part of our website. Okay, if I provide a live example, I will share my website. It's Hiramon software. This is my website. Okay, if you want to create a website, then HTML what will provide? Okay, the home page, or this text and these designs and this image slider. Actually, HTML will provide these features, and that's why we will learn the HTML. And when you will learn HTML, then you can create a basic structure of a web page. Okay, suppose if I mouse hover, the text will change, and there are so many features. Okay, now in this time I will share you the what is the file editor. It's taking few time. Okay, this is coming. What is actually HTML file have this part. This is HTML index.html. When a file name, the last part of a file name have a .html, is called, this is a HTML file. Okay, now when you are create your HTML file, then that is a first of HTML tag. Every HTML file should use this tag. Okay, this is HTML tag, and this is the closing of HTML tag. We know that you have to know there are starting and ending tag. Okay, every HTML tag have a two part, starting and ending. Okay, how I write the HTML tag? HTML. This is a starting part of HTML. We have to close this HTML tag. How we will close this HTML tag? This is backslash HTML and arrow, right arrow. Okay, this is the right way to create a tag. Okay, this is a starting tag, and it's called the closing part. Okay, and we see that the HTML starting part, and this is the 16 line. This is the closing part of HTML. Okay, then the second part of HTML, this is head means a header. Okay, the second part is it's the second part. First part HTML tag, and it's a tag, it's a document type HTML. It's called document type HTML. It's a HTML5 version. Okay, the second part of HTML file, this is header, and we see that the header is starting here, and the header is where the closing. Okay, I am not showing the header closing. Okay, okay, how backslash header. Okay, sorry, it's not working. Okay, delete head. Head. Okay, this is header have some part like your links, your title. Okay, header, if HTML5 should to create you have to write the header tag. Okay, header tag have some part like your HTML5 links and the title. What is title? Do you know? Okay, title means if I show the live example, I am going the Google. Okay, I showing website title. Okay, I am going to image, and we see that. Okay, I am opening a image. Okay, are you here, are you see that? Okay, this is a Twitter. I'm zoom out this part. Twitter bio ideas and tips to boot or something. Actually is a title. And if we want to write this text, we should, it's there we see that it's I write it my name. Okay, this is a title. Actually it has so many things like anywhere. Okay, this is our file, and then after this title we have to write body. Okay, next video I will share you how the body is working, and body closing, and some heading or other etc topics. So thank you everyone, just waiting for the next video. Love is